Hello, good morning again. It's another day that God has given us. I want me to go through one or two projects that was released last week so that I can show you how to solve or to give you solutions on how to work on this project, given project. So today I want me to go through this 0808 Python, more classes and objects. So before I start, let me share my screen. Then I go through the project. Let me share my screen. Okay, okay. This is my screen. This is my screen. This is the 0808 Python more classes and objects. As you can see, I have tackled 106 out of 106, mandatory 1515. Here, I've already achieved 200%. What I can hatch you first before you go to tackle the project. First, you have to go through the resources. You make sure you are freed and understood. Then from there, you can start solving. Okay, first you read the task. The question we have from question one, I think, up to question 12. You read one by one. You understand. After reading, you go to the question. You read what you are asked to do, because every question has its instructions of what you are supposed to do. So first you come, you open this object-oriented programming. Okay, please go through these resources very, very careful and understand. What I can advise you is you have a pen, a book, and a pen. You read, making your small notes one by one, then you understand. That's when you will be able to solve the tasks. Come to the self, go down classes, see this code, class paths, empty block, this one, how it works, methods. You can see this code here, how it works, the underscore init underscore method, how it works, class and object variables. You read namespace, class variables, object variables. You go down, how it works. It's very important. Inheritance. You go down, then you come here. Object oriented. Also, you click, you go through the resources very, very, very careful. Then the requirements. This is the requirements. This is what we are allowed to use when handling those tasks. Allowed editors, VI, Emacs, my favorite here is VI. Or your files be interpreted compiled. Or your file should end with a new line. The first line of your file should be exactly this one, Python 3. A readme file at the root of the folder. This is every project. You have to have the readme file. Otherwise, you can get an error if you don't include this readme.md. Your code should use cycled style fashion. All file must be executed. Then the file should be w this one. Okay. Now, when you are done with the requirements, when you are done with the resources, now you come to task number one. This is task number one. Write an empty class rectangle that defines a rectangle. You are not allowed to import any module. Very important here. Don't ever import any module. Otherwise, if you do so, you will come out with an error. You will not get, you will not, even if you check out, you will not come up with the answer. So, let me go straight to show you how you can to give you a solution for this task. First, you have to open your sandbox. This is your sandbox. This is my sandbox container or terminal, whatever. This is my container. Come cd, put enter. Come cd. This is LX higher level. Remember, we are at the higher level programming. So this is the GitHub repository. It's higher level. Let us enter into this directory. This is 0x08 Python more classes. This is what is it? Here we are. So let me go and create this file 0 rectangle.py. Or before you create this file, let me share you something little here. So before you start getting a file, first you have to create the readme.md. This, as you can see, me already have created it. This is my readme.md. It's here. Very important, this one. So how do you create this readme.md? What you do is you come to your editor. Okay, for me, I always tell you I like using vi, then readme dot md. Readme have to be in capital, then md in small letter. You enter. This is my readme file. What are you supposed to write in the readme? You can write anything you want to write in this readme.md file. For me, mostly I like putting the name of the project. So let me come here, then I quit. Now we have our readme.md. So after you have done this, you go straight to the file. You go straight to this file 0 rectangle.py. Okay, here we are. Comfy I, then 0 rectangle.py. 0 rectangle.py. 0 rectangle.py. Okay, this is the file that you have to inbuilt in the 0py.py, 0 rectangle.py. You can from the instructions, if you remember, you have the first line have to be hashed Japan in this Python 3. Then this is the comment, and this is the code. Class rectangle. Okay, here we are. Then you come WQ, you save, then you enter. Now you have created this file 0 rectangle.py. Okay, from there you have to execute before going to github, git commit, and git push. First, you execute this file 0 rectangle.py. It's change mode. It's u plus x. U plus x, then 0 rectangle.py. 0 rectangle.py. Copy here. Enter. Now your file is executed. if you see rectangle of the bill, it's here already executed. So what do you do now? Very simple. You git add, you git add, you git commit, you git commit. This is the file you have to commit. Copy, enter. As you can see, your branch is up to date with the original stroke master. Nothing to commit, working tree clean. What does it mean? It means that already I have committed it. I have already committed. So if I have already, you cannot commit twice or thrice. If you commit once and you have no error, you are ready to go. So you git push. This is the last step. This is the git push. It will not push again, I'm sure. Everything else is up to date. Now, let's go to, let me go, let us check whether what we have done is correct. You see, congratulations, all this passed successfully. That means every step that we have gone through, we have done it correctly. So there is no error, there is no any white space, no any other error anywhere. So we are ready to go. Let us close this one. So let me go to number one. Read definition of a rectangle. Write a class rectangle that defines a rectangle by based on or rectangle. Private instant attribute with it. Property def with itself to retrieve it. You read all that you are asked to do. Private in instantation with option width height def underscore width 0 heights. You are not allowed to import any module. That is a rule according to this project. So let me go straight to the one rectangle.py. One rectangle.py. One rectangle.py. Okay, go to VR, then one rectangle.py. Here we are. One rectangle.py. Enter. Good. As you can see, this is the one rectangle.py. This is the code that you have to input in this file, one rectangle.py. Property heights. If you go to the question cell, this method is the file of the heights returns rectangle. Yeah. Okay. 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 This is the file. I have to quit. Then you change mode. U plus X. One rectangle. One rectangle to be Y. One rectangle to be Y. Already executed. Then you git add, git commit, and git push. I go to the next one quickly because I don't have much time. Let us check whether what we have done is correct. Let us check to see what we have done is correct. Let's check this one rectangle to be wide. It's loading, it's loading. Ah, good. Congratulations. One redefinition rectangle. All tests passed. Good. You are ready for the next mission. So, as you can see, all the checks from 0 to 14 is correct. So, let me go to the next one very fast. I want to go to the next one very fast. Because of time, I want me to do the only the I do every files, all the files, because I want only to give you the direction on how to solve the tasks. So I want you to then you could get that, you will execute yourself. You get that, you will push it to the GitHub for yourself. By now, I think you know how to push your file to the GitHub. So I will solve only the files very fast, so that the others you can do at your own. If I this is area and the perimeter number 2. You have to read all of the instructions to rectangle.py. Here we are. Copy. This is the file that you have to import. I don't want to take much time here because I don't have much time. This you execute this to rectangle.py, then you hit push, you hit commit, then you hit push. Go to the next one very fast. Strings presentation. This is 3 rectangle.py. Copy, enter. This is the code you have to impute. I have to quit. I think I go to number 4. For rectangle.py. For rectangle.py. This is the code that you have to impute. You need to type it very correctly. Otherwise, if you will not type it correctly, you will end up getting an error. So I go to the next one very fast because time is not on my side. I need to do other things before I wind up. Okay. This is the code that you have to impute. I have to quit. This is go to the next one. Number 6. You have to move to go to finish. This is the code you have to impute here. Then I go to the next one very fast. Change representation. Change representations. 7 rectangle.py. This thing is simple if you only you read and understand them. It's not hard. What it needs is you to read and understand them. Otherwise, if you don't understand, you will read that it's something very hard for you to solve, but it's very simple. When you have read and understood what the task is, what you are asked to do, the very important thing here is to do what you are asked to do. If you do what you are asked to do, you will get it to be very simple, very, very, very simple. So you need to read the tasks and understand so that you can solve these tasks without any difficulty. So here we are, here we are. This is the last one, I think. This is the last one. And queens. This is the last. This is the last. The last one. One. Queens.py. This is the last one. This is the last one. This is the last one. Here we are. Good. Now, for every task, this three rectangle, three, four rectangle, five rectangle, you have to execute fast. Then you hit hard. Then you hit push. That's how you can when you go to the checker, that's how you will not come up with an error. So please, you go through the, as I told you, you go first, you go through the resources, you read one by one, you understand, you get a white paper, a pen, you analyze the question first, you on a piece of paper. After you analyze, then you that's when you would start. You would solving one by one. You read the task first. You read where you understand. You you make sure you have understood what the question is asking about. Then now you apply. You come to the sandbox. Now you apply the commands. Then you solve the issue. For now, thank you for watching. I'll ask my viewers, thank you for giving me this support. Thank you for watching my channel. In order my channel to grow, please subscribe. You can just touch the subscription button down there so that it can enable me to make more and more videos. Please thank you for watching and have a lovely day. Thank you very much.